This initial solution will show you how to make or how to create a new Skype account on iPhone. First of all, download the Skype app and open it. Tap on Let's Go. Tap on Sign In or Create. Tap on Create One. And to create a new Skype account, you have to create a Microsoft account first. So you can create a Microsoft account using your Gmail, or you can create an account using your phone number. So I'm gonna creating a Microsoft account using my email. So I'm gonna giving my email address here. Next, create a strong password here. Tap on Next and enter here your first and last name. Select here your country, region, and select your birth info here. I'm gonna selecting a random birth date. And it's time to verify your email address. So go to your email and collect the verification code and enter the verification code here. And you have to solve the puzzle. Tap on Continue. And here you can see my Skype account has been successfully created. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.